Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin with the essentials. Park level, put the shifter in P, start the engine and engage the parking brake. Once done, select Strata driving mode so the transmission maps predictably. This is why shifts feel smoother. Check the dash for drivetrain warnings and let the engine idle briefly to stabilize oil pressure. Next, place your foot on the brake, move the selector to D or S depending on intent, and prepare to use steering wheel paddles or the gear selector for the first shift. Now you focus on execution. Choose paddles for direct control, right paddle upshifts, left downshifts, because this keeps torque delivery seamless. Make shifts within the 3,000 to 500 RPM sweet spot for responsive acceleration, and avoid redline unless you need full power. When downshifting, ease the throttle slightly to let the auto blip match revs. This prevents drivetrain shock. If using the gear lever, press firmly and deliberately, then monitor traction lights and engine tone to confirm the transmission accepted the command. Complete the routine by slowing smoothly, selecting P, and setting the parking brake. This secures the drivetrain and allows the transmission to cool. If you notice hesitations or delayed engagement, first make sure you are in the correct drive mode and that the transmission temperature is not high. Heat causes slower shifts. Also inspect paddle function and selector position. If problems persist, record any dash warnings and exact behavior. Then contact Lamborghini Service with your VIN so technicians can diagnose electronic or hydraulic faults properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.